great experience, and those that are making changes, that's great work. Thank you so much for lighting the candle. Triumph Mental Health and Recovery Program has embarked on an awareness program aimed at enhancing advocacy among the youth in regards to sexual reproductive health rights for teenagers who have lived experienced psychosocial challenges. This is after realizing that they face a multitude of challenges in accessing sexual reproductive health services. It is against this background that this initiative has come to change that very notion.
Triumph Mental Health and Recovery Program is implementing a youth-friendly, responsive model on sexual reproductive health rights, targeting young people with disabilities. The Executive Director, Triumph Mental Health, Robina Alambuya, says their focus is about amplifying young people's voices for better coordination and access to reproductive health services.
Basing on their conditions and the challenges they go through, the health challenges and the other challenges, there has been a lot of stigma, discrimination, and denial of access to rights on equal basis with others, especially sexual reproductive health at all levels, right from the family level.
Alambuya says under the program, young people are empowered and also reminded of their roles aimed at addressing health challenges such as unwanted pregnancies, substance abuse, defilement, and rape, among others.
Another challenge that these younger people have been facing, younger people with psychosocial disability and mental disability, is the fact that, their self-esteem has been so low. They do not understand themselves, what is happening around them. So their self-esteem, in addition to the other barriers, low self-esteem has been a big issue.
Esther Subi Deborah, a peer educator at Triumph Mental Health and Recovery Program, says adolescents are usually reluctant to seek sexual reproductive health services, which creates the need for critical assessment and awareness interventions.
But all this comes because they have no self-esteem. They find it hard to come and say to a fellow, let's say a medical personnel, that this and this is happening to me. But in Triumph Uganda, I'm so glad and grateful that it has helped me as a person, because I have a lived experience of psychosocial disability. And when I got to Triumph Uganda, it helped me out build my self-esteem. I got to learn how to stand for who I am, and even today we learned about self-care, which was very, very an interesting topic, because I was able to know that yes, there are various things I can do that please me instead of pleasing other people, because the more I please other people, the more I hurt myself, which is not a good thing.
Subi says the education and training programs provided by Triumph Mental Health helps young people to take time and care for themselves, as well as developing positive habits to avoid sexual reproductive health challenges.
And I believe the more trainings I get from Triumph Uganda, I am going to be able to use them to talk to other girls, because I know there are other girls who are out there that really need this talk. They really need this talk to stand their ground and say, I am who I am and I'm proud of who I am, and no one will put me down for who I am. And I know once girls get of this knowledge and this information, they'll never remain the same.
Bella Masangano and Clement Wangira for UBC News.